Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to explain something that completely changed my results in the crypto meme coin market, why I stopped trading meme coins, and why I started deving them instead. Because in 2026, the most profitable side of this market is not trading, it's actually by deving and creating the coins yourself. I have personally stacked up hundreds of thousands of dollars from deving, and I have not placed a single trade since making all that money. If you want to see exactly how it works and you are tired of losing money from trading, well, this video is everything you need to learn how to dev. Bro, look at this right here, my Phantom wallet. These numbers, all of this came from one simple method: deving meme coins instead of trading them. While everyone else was trading coins and losing money, I was here launching, deving meme coins, and collecting my creator fees and all my profits from the supply that I launched on my coins. Today I am showing you how to do the same and how to become a dev like me. Now this is the reason why I completely stopped trading and I started creating my own coins instead. And that reason is because most of these coins on chain, they just go to zero. They are most likely Ponzi schemes. Let me show you exactly why. Most of these coins just end up going to zero, and that's exactly why most traders are not profitable. It's because of this exact reason, guys, and you can do nothing about it. That's exactly why I create my coins instead, bro, to avoid getting dumped on and just risking my port for potentially to make profits. And the reason why deving is so profitable is because you have nothing to lose. You are doing the complete opposite from trading. You are creating borrow coins that you find online, and then you just cash out on all the traders, and you also make money from the creator fees that you can just stack up over time. Okay, and all of this costs nothing to do. Okay, you have nothing to risk as a dev. It all depends to your strategy to have an edge over every single other dev out there. And in this video, I'm going to show you my proven strategy that I have been using for the past couple of months to make a couple $1,000 every single day. I will show you exactly how to create a coin using a viral narrative, and then how to launch it, and everything will be done in this video. I will even do a live example to show you guys exactly how it's done from me, myself, and I am not here to sell you a paid group or a course. I'm just here to expose a method for this video. And obviously, bro, everything said and done in this video is purely for educational purposes only. I do not condone any financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, bro, and obviously I am just capping. But anyways, the most frequently asked question that I get asked every single day on Telegram, on Discord, on Instagram is, where do I launch my meme coins as a dev? Now look, let me break down the entire truth of where to launch coins. Most devs are launching on Pump.Fun, but let me tell you exactly why it's the wrong way to launch. It's oversaturated. There's hundreds of coins being created on Pump.Fun while I'm talking right now, every single second, and most of these coins, they're dead, they get no buyers, or they just get bundled and then they go to zero. Okay, it's the same exact story every single time. This is not how you make money as a dev. You can make money, but you won't make as much as if you're launching on other places. For example, the migrate section. I personally create all my coins on Rhythm directly because I maximize my profitability by reaching thousands of people. When a coin migrates, bro, and it goes to Rhythm, it gets a bunch of attention, and most people are sleeping on that method. It gets a bunch of volume, a bunch of buyers, and even if the narrative is not as good, you can still make a tiny bit of profits, bro, or you can just move on to a new coin. It's up to you, but that's exactly why I launched Radium, and that's exactly how I market my coins. Now, to actually launch the Radium, bro, do not use Pump.Fun because of the migration price and all the restrictions. Instead, make sure you're using launchmemes.io, because by launching your meme coins here, your meme coins will make sure to go to Rhythm immediately, reaching a bunch of attention and a bunch of people to potentially buy that coin. That's why it's being gatekept by thousands of devs. Now, making a meme coin here is extremely easy. Just follow along or just listen. You could either create a coin from scratch, right? So if you have a narrative, you can make it here. It's extremely easy. Just put your name, take your symbol, and then put your logo, and it will be live. People will be able able to buy your coin right after these steps, okay? Or you can use their completely free X tracker and you can turn tweets into coins. So for example, if Trump made a tweet, bang, you could dev that coin instantly and make thousands. Or you can use my favorite method, which is actually copying trending coins. I've actually made like all my money from copying coins, but basically all these coins have a good narrative and it's already going viral on Pump.Fun. So all we're doing is we're copying coins with already good narratives and relaunching that meme coin to Rhythm instead to get a bunch of people to see your coin and then buy in. That is a method that we will be running right now live. So let's make a meme coin and let's see how much I can make live. You just have to watch and take notes and then you will be able to do it for yourself right after. So yeah, first of all, connect your phantom wallet, right? That's the first ever step. And now just copy a random coin, okay? Just go for one and try it out. If it doesn't work, if you only make under $100, just cash out and move on to the next coin. So I'm gonna go for this one. Click on copy the iridium, your phantom will show up, right? Ignore the block, it's normal. Click on proceed, confirm. Checkbox right there, click on confirm, and then the coin will be minted on the Solana blockchain. You just gotta wait a couple seconds. Boom! Now you have proof right here that it's minted on chain. Everything is legit. Now let's create the liquidity pool. Here is where we create our supply for our meme coin. Like that, it can actually go to Radium. That is the whole point, and that's exactly what makes this site so special. Click on 90% for the supply, okay? We are going to allocate 900 million coins for the amount of SO to pair. This is a dev buy, put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 Solana. You are not going to lose this. If you want it back, you can, okay? So I'm going to put 0.3 and then click on create pool. Your phantom will show up, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then the coin will be actually live on chain and people will be able to buy it. Bang, click on refresh, and as you guys can see, it's live. You have your PNL, your coins, everything is here. Let's go see our chart. So click on view on Photon or Axum or go on your trading platform. And as you guys can see, it's pumping and we're making thousands. This is insane. Let's see how much we're up actually. Come back to launchmemes.io, click on refresh. Okay, we're up $200 guys already. That is insane within like 5 seconds. It's pumping guys, and this is exactly why I love deving. Okay, I have nothing to lose, I am risking nothing. Okay, the only thing you need is around 0.3 to 1 SOL for that dev buy, but that is not a fee, it is not lost, you will get it back later. As you guys can see, it's pumping. We're at a 10k market cap and we're actually printing right now. Okay, these are all random people buying in, and that's exactly why this method is so insane. You have no marketing to do. All you have to do is just copy and then test out your luck. It's pumping. That's insane. I'm gonna let the coin pump. When I come back, I will show you how much we made and how to cash out. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, we're at a 55k market cap. That's insane. Let's see how much we made right now. So to cash out your profits as a dev, come back to launchmemes.io, right? Click on refresh. And damn, we're already up $2,700 on this meme coin. That's insane. That's around 38 Solana. Now to cash out, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity quick, and then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then we should be fully out. Bang! I just dabbed the coin in front of your face, and look in your phantom wallet or mine. Bang, the money is there. I am not capping. I do this shit every single day. 2.8k straight into my phantom wallet, bro. If you want to dev like me, launch memes.io will be linked down below, bro. Just stay consistent. The only tip I have for you, okay, is just to launch multiple coins a day, an hour, I don't know, bro. Just stay consistent, and that peace out.